Hi, this is the homework for Paul McWhorter's Arduino lesson 40, I believe. And the homework was to um, use functions without global variables to light an LED and I think read a pot value or use a potentiometer. So here, this is my code here. Starts at the void setup. I put in, set the pins to input and output. The loop, here's where I declare my variables. The pot val is read pot pin, which is a function here, read pot. And then use outputs to the serial print line. And then the pin val is a call to another function. This dimmer function here. So basically it calls two functions and then there's a small delay and it comes around to do the same thing again in the loop, the void loop. The read pot is basically an analog read on pin 2 or analog pin 2, and the return is the pin val. So my pot turns are 210 to 1023, and the other function is dimmer, which I have is controlling the LED. So I have a couple of variables in here, and I have some functionality to control the LED in a more I don't know, more friendly manner, so rather than raising the brightness straight from the logic. So and then there's some functionality to prevent it from to go to zero when I turn the potentiometer down to zero. It should go to the zero to turn the light off and to prevent it from going above the value. So that returns it, everything, all those statements return it to here. It does an analog write to the pin value, and goes through the loop again. The only thing is up here in the setup, I declared the pins, hard coded the numbers in the into the code. So it's pin 2 and pin 11. The thing is, I found out later that you can you can declare a constant as a global variable. So you make a global variable that you can't change. So you can do that up here. I put it out just for this video. So I did it without any global variables at all. So yeah. So here's this is my pot here. My LED is underneath this, and my Arduino, and you can see here. This brightness is smoother because I looked up the code in Paul McWhorter's lesson to do this. So that's how it works. This is a lid from a peanut butter jar. I don't know if anybody's putting together their own project or anything, but I tend to reuse stuff, and this is a lid from a peanut butter jar, and this is a potentiometer I took off an old guitar pedal. So I don't know if you got stuff around your house or your recycle bin that you can reuse. I suggest you reuse it, maybe save a little bit of money, or Anyway, this is my project, or this is my homework, and yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching.